Hello, my name is Namira Sheikh. I have studied in SS Dempo College. IFFI this year was good. I'm happy that they have managed to make it to a successful event. Comparatively, last year it was better because this pandemic wasn't there. But yeah, this year they managed to do it. Even the decoration every year, they try to make it look different. Even this year, the lighting and all is really good. And hopefully, the coming years it will be better.
What memories you take as we have finished this evening?
There are many memories, good memories, bad memories. So yeah, we manage to meet celebrities, which we like oftenly usually we don't get to meet. But here we are privileged to escort them or to present a token of memento to them. So yeah, it was a good experience.
I think if we also brings all our friends together.
Yeah, obviously, yeah, because now since we are graduate, we all go apart for jobs and everything. But then when this comes, but when this comes, we manage to get along and yeah, spend a good time and
Okay. So in spite of your busy schedule, you made it for this evening.
yeah, yeah.
So what have you learned like this evening with your friends and
We have learned to communicate with people. We have learned how to manage things. Even during there are many conflicts happening between many people, so we managed to handle those conflicts. And yeah, many guests also come or many delegates come. They have problems, they have issues, so we understand their problems and issues and we explain them and we give a solution to them. So presence of mind is also we get to learn
you think
to
it's
have.
sad that we part away now after this evening?
Yeah, because it is just 7 days and we enjoy over here actually. We spent a lot of time over here, good pictures because the decoration is good. So yeah, we are gonna miss it, but next year it will come again. This year only it will be coming, hopefully. Yeah, thank you.
I am Ankita Vishwakarma and I'm from Tempe College. So, it was good this year, but because of the pandemic, the crowd was little less. But overall, it was a good experience to be volunteering in IFFI.
So what have you learned this evening? Like new people, new delegates.
Yeah, delegates in the sense crowd was less, but it was a new experience because you get to know how people work in this environment.
Okay,
So.
it is said that teamwork is the way dream work. Is it so?
Yeah, you have to have unity for something to be successful. So,
So like you have enjoyed.
yes, it was good.
You want to be part of this next year?
I'm looking forward to it.
My name is Shailin Sheikh and I'm from Chogle College.
So tell us about this feel.
Yeah, it's good. We like to volunteer here, so it's been a good like volunteering here. Yeah, it was pretty good.
Like what is the difference this year now?
I would say because the same thing she said, because of pandemic, I think the crowd was much less and like people were as compared to last year's, like it was like pretty low. Yeah.
So you are happy.
Yeah, it was nice. I like the decoration, something different. It was really nice. So yeah, they tried to do something different. So yeah.
You have been part of this evening.
Yeah, it's been like last year also I had volunteered and even this year I would say. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Gausia Patil and I'm from Dempo College.
Tell us about this evening.
This time it was delayed. We thought if it won't be happening this year, but they somehow managed to make it this possible this year as because of the pandemic and the stuff, and they're also maintaining all the precautions for the
Why
safety.
privileged to host this evening?
I guess it is. Yeah.
What have you got to say about this evening?
Good. It's very good. They have managed to make this a successful event.
So you as a student, it is a privilege for you to be at the IFFI?
Yeah, we get to experience and meet up new people, communicate. That also makes us also a little bit confident, and meeting new people makes you also a bit communicative and stuff.
Generally, I wanted to volunteer, but this year I couldn't volunteer because of my work, so I just was a guest here at IFFI.
Okay. So how much have you enjoyed?
I enjoyed quite a lot because I got to meet my friends and we were hanging around. Normally we get to meet celebrities, but this year it was not there. So yeah,
Which are the movies you watched?
I watched Pan Singh Tomar and Chichore. That's it. I couldn't get more time to come
What are
in.
your likes of your movies like?
Generally, I like watching Hindi movies only because other languages are a little difficult to understand.
You also made a time to meet your friends.
Yeah, came here because of that only.
So besides, like what memories do you take after IFFI?
It is always very exciting to see the different peacocks that are made every year, and yeah, every year the decoration is very different, and it's really good to see. Especially the lighting this year is amazing on the roads in Panjim.
I think this is a good opportunity for the students to be getting experience.
Yeah, there are a lot of fields you can gain experience in, and you get to learn a lot of things, and more experience you get to go on a higher post. So that's also a thing.
My name is Anushka. We are student of Kala Academy. So we came here because every year we have project on IFFI. So what kind of movie we seen and all. So that's why we came here. And it was like good experience for us. Like after a whole year, we get a good experience while watching the movies like. International movies usually we can only see on Netflix, Amazon Prime, okay, but watching that movies on big screen is very good experience for us, and especially for us, we are theater student, that's why it's very nice experience for us.
So how many of you are here together?
We are, sorry, I don't know exactly, but approximately we are total 70 to 80. 70
What
to.
memories you take as we conclude this IFFI?
Huh?
What memories you take as you conclude this?
We learn how they direct the movies, the way they direct the actor, how they act, like that we actually from that we can get more something from them. Yeah. Even we can see celebrities and all, so we have to take their interviews and all. That is the part of our project.
Okay. So it's a time also to meet friends here.
Yes, this year it was a time for meet friends because before pandemic we used to stay at home, and after that we don't get to meet our friends. This year because of IFFI we met our friends. Okay.
So you enjoy this.
Yes, we enjoy very well.
My name is Namrata Pareka.
How has been your experience at IFFI? What have you enjoyed IFFI?
Yes,
Yes. What have you enjoyed, like movies or seeing people, delegates? What?
movies.
And which movies you like the best most? I mean, Indian or World of Cinemas?
International.
So you have learned here something?
Yeah,
You are happy to be here?
happy.
Yeah, my name is Runal. From the past 5 years, I'm coming for IFFI. I wait for IFFI actually for the year. So it's like we can see. I mostly enjoy the international films because the way they act, the way they portray their character, like it's look so real. So I wait for the IFFI for my whole year. I really enjoy it.
How about this environment here?
This year it was like it's very less crowd, so okay, but not as before.
What is the one thing that you would like to say that I have learned something for this issue?
Okay, because when we see Bollywood films, it's like they are more commercially. They like when we see these films, they're more artistic, abstract, they're realistic, and something different from Bollywood.
So you can learn a lot.
Yes, a lot,
It will help you in your career.
Yes, sure.
So otherwise you have enjoyed this IFFI?
Yes, I enjoyed
You
this.
want to be waiting for part
I almost watched 30 films, I guess.
30 films?
30, we together watched 30 films. Almost four to. How many we get? We watched that films.
So what's your message for this IFFI night, for all the people?
Okay.
Keep watching films.
Yeah, you have to watch the films. Yes. If you want to do something in your life, you have to watch this type of films. Not like you can enjoy commercial films for your entertainment, but if you want to learn about life, the way you want to become a good person, or you want to do something in your life, you can watch these films. You can inspire from these films. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, my name is Shivli Veluskar. It's been great over here, great working over here for the 51st International Film Festival of India. I served as a presentation team where we should give the mementos to the guests which came from all over India and outside India also. It's an international film festival as well. So it was great experience, and I will prefer working for next year also, and it's like great over here. That's it. I just want to say that. It was good. We have not thought that this year the IFFI will have it will be have conducted, but it has been. So it is great. Nice experience. Nothing else I can tell you. Yes, it's a good opportunity because as we are the students, and it's a chance for us to work over here, where we can meet many people over here, which gives us more opportunities, and it's like fun, and we enjoy each and every moment over here. That's it. Actually, we are not allowed to see the movies as we are the crew over here, so we don't have any experience regarding the movie. So I cannot tell you. It's great. They have spent a lot of money on this because to make it very attractive, as the people come from all over world to see it. So it's very attractive, and we like to click pictures over here because it's very much attractive. Thank you.
Yes, it is. My team is actually about ushering. We are all ushers over here. So our job is to check the tickets when people come in, and that is what we do. We check their tickets, and people also cooperate with us. So that's another advantage to us. And since now this year, since the pandemic is happening, there is no rush line, and also people cooperate by showing us by maintaining social distancing. So that's okay. So that's good. It is good. It's not the same as the previous years because of the pandemic, but it's nice. It's not the same because there's not much rush. There's limited people, so it's nice. It's good. Yes, it is. Yes, I would. Yes, I did. Welcome.
Thank you. Well done.